Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your account on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your phone number and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, if you wish to delete your account completely, then tap on your account icon at the top right corner underneath the Messenger logo. From here, expand the settings and privacy option and then tap on settings. Now from the settings page, click on see more in account center and then scroll down and tap on personal details. Within this page, tap on account ownership and control, and now you will see the deactivation or deletion option. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on your Facebook account and you will be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. After entering your password and continuing forward, you will be allowed to choose from deactivation or deletion. Click on the delete option and then confirm your choice. And after you proceed with deleting, you will be logged out from your Facebook account right away. After this step, if you don't log back in for 1 month, then your account will be deleted permanently. So if you wish to cancel the deletion, you will simply need to log back into your Facebook account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to permanently delete your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.